Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be playing Build a Boat for Treasure with one of my friends. Say hello.
Hello there.
And so let's hop into the game. Oh gosh, it's Jenna. It's Roblox Jenna. Before we hop into
Oh
the
my
game.
gosh, real?
Yeah.
Real life.
Okay, let's play. Okay, I'm loading in. I'm on white team again. Okay, let's load in my build, my Nintendo 3DS. I am lagging. Why? Egg Boy wants to join my team. I don't know why
No.
everyone wants to just join our team, so hi.
Probably because like white team has like a straight line towards the end.
Yeah, that's why everyone cares about it. Yeah, so that's the regular 3DS. I'm just gonna load in flying one. Let's go. Whee! Yeah, look.
I mean, I don't think you can really see any. I mean, if you're like in first person, you can't really see
Yeah,
anything in front of you. For
yeah,
sure.
because of
If you're not
the screen.
the big screen,
Also,
first,
the
like
cameras
you're not
work.
in at first.
The cameras work. I'm
Yeah.
thinking of adding a secondary camera, so that way you'll just be like looking that way, like the cameras do. Yeah, but that's for another video. Oh my god, I leaked some video footage. No!
Leak the video footage real.
So, we're just going to the end.
We are
It's the
going to
music.
Brazil.
It's the music course. Prepare to die.
Oh no, the music notes are coming. Ah, yeah, it's that. There they are.
Ah!
We
I'm getting.
dodge.
Ah!
We're
I
like
hate.
epically dodging them. We're like epically dodging. Okay, I think we're good now.
No,
You think?
they'll follow us. They always do. Let's go down. Ooh, that was so close. Oh yeah, this one it just throws it.
Bowling,
This one it throws them at you. So no, we're out of here.
bowling, and no, oh my gosh, government, real government. Oh,
Government
bonk.
building. Oh yeah, we could just go down. We so. Ah! Ah!
Well, something told me we were going to die. I died.
I'm gonna bonk. Oh, I ran out of
Um,
fuel. Yeah. Pro tip: buy the purple jets. That's a pro
wait,
tip.
I think I do. I do have the purple jets. I do.
Okay, we're gonna do another thing. This is what I am working on. Help! Help! I got stuck. Oh yeah, my character is in beautiful clothing. It's a
We
tiny
are in
version of the map.
Brazil.
Yeah, it's a tiny version of the
Oh,
map.
real.
I just fell.
Whoa.
Okay,
No, I'm just kill. I'm just kill. Yeah. Yeah. You're
okay,
tiny. You're
so
very small.
I'm gonna get in the nuke. I'm going to remove some seats from the top so that way I could get out. In case if anything goes wrong, which it won't. We all know it won't. Collision off, select all, unanchor. Grab a jetpack. You're gonna need to grab a jetpack.
All right.
And let's. Oh yeah, it's F. I keep forgetting that that's the default one. I'm so used to.
Box.
Yeah, you can just hear this. I'm sorry if the gameplay's a little loud. This may look like a teeny tiny little bomb, right?
Watch out! It's gonna. Oh no! Oh no!
Yeah.
Boom boom!
There is a lot of explosives strapped to this thing.
Whoa!
And we lost the yeah.
Well, let's just try and
I'm
survive.
gonna have to fix this thing up so that way I don't have it explode on a
I
hotkey.
am floating. I am the god of levitation. Never mind. And it destroys a jetpack.
Yeah, I did. I destroyed your
And I'm
jetpack.
dead.
I'm dead. So So
Yes, that's it.
I don't think I
Th-
got the video part of you having the 3DS. So you're gonna have to do that part again. Take a sword.
Okay, so you take a shot.
On
Sit here. Make sure nothing's anchored. Make sure. There we go.
the glue. Okay. And now I can delete stuff.
I have a 3DS. Oh my gosh, I'm holding a 3DS.
Okay.
He's like,
So yeah, take a picture. He's taking pictures of me. He's taking pictures. That's nice. So let's take a selfie. Let's take a selfie. Use the glue block. That's what's keeping him holding the 3DS. And so yeah, if I just you're gonna curb stop. Oh no! I just flung the thing.
the cake's still on me though. The cake's still on me. I still have my cake.
Okay, let me do this.
I'm not gonna say it. Okay, I'm not saying it. I'm not gonna
Okay,
say
so movement 2. Oh wait, I messed up already. Grab this. You gotta use the sword, and then boom, boom. Where's the hinge? Oh no, I'm stupid. I don't need the hinge. I need the cake. And delete, delete, and everything unanchored. Boom. And so yeah, now I'm just gonna do that. And let me take pictures of you. Taking pictures. Okay, let's get a selfie. Let's get a selfie. How do I? Oh yeah, the glue blocks. I'm gonna have to go on this side. Okay, there we go. Taking a selfie. There we go. So yeah, basically this 3DS is useless. And we can kick this thing
it. Doesn't really
around.
do anything other than it's just cool.
Oh no!
Yeah,
It's all
there
the way
it
over
goes. Whee! There's a
there.
giant fan there.
It's-
I don't know why.
yeah, someone's just doing that. Why don't I load
Now
in
the
my?
big new ooh, the big one, the big one.
That's the SpongeBob episode name. Okay, you're on a seat, right?
Yeah, I'm on a seat.
Let's go in my Zarbomba. Let's go.
Woohoo!
Editing this thing's probably gonna be annoying. Editing this
Oh
video,
no, it's gonna go boom boom. It's gonna go boom boom, guys.
big boom. And yeah, that's basically what happens. And I don't think yeah, I'm just gonna use my sword. Did I die? I died! I have my very cheap AFK farm. This thing is very cheap. Jesse TC
On the
made it.
sky.
Jesse TC
I'm
made a
legit.
tutorial on this. Uh,
I'm
my
still on
friend
the
recently showed me
sky.
how to make a better AFK farm using this thing.
And
Yeah, it took
well,
me a long time.
I'm practically outside the map now.
Just reset. Okay, tiny maps. This is what I was working on. This is little. Just gotta show you again because I kind of just jumped off. I am very
I just broke
lazy,
the part with
so
confetti.
yeah, I'm still working on it. I recently started it. Yeah. So that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.